awesome people. Hello. Oh my god, it's been forever and I really miss you guys. I'm so excited to be recording this video. Like, I just hope you can see through me. And I want to say thank you to everyone who has been subscribing, commenting, liking. Like, I know I've had a really busy schedule, but each time I see your comment, I'm like, oh my god, I cannot wait to record a next video. Thank you guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed to our awesome channel, I promise you will not regret it. I know you're going to like the video, so don't wait till the end and be like, do I like this video or not? Just like it right now. Who likes my scenario shirt? I know. Okay guys, let's start. So I'm going to start by dividing this into two to cut out the edges of the DIY frame. Now that I've measured out the edges of my photo frame, I'm going to start cutting it out. Guys, I've cut out the two edges, the two longer edges, and now I want to cut out the shorter ones. So I'm just going to place this on top of this and cut it this way. I think I'm going to mark it first and then cut. So mark it. This video is way too long. You have to cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut. 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 So I'm going to cut this off. Put my glue. Just make sure you put the glue lightly, because remember, if it's too much, then it's going to spoil. If it's too much, it's going to go into the fabric, which we don't want. Okay, so now that we're done with that, I'm going to just finish showing you how to complete this, and then I'm going to do that for the rest. Okay, glue, and then this time put enough, because this is going to be the back. So the most important thing is ensuring the glue is enough to hold the material. Clean. Can you see it? Clean. Clean, man. Clean. You don't know. You don't know. Okay, so this is the first. I'm going to be doing this for all the other sides, and then I'll show you guys. Guys, we have all our edges now. Here we go. So we have two of these edges because we're going to have to double it. So that's why it's two. And we have the longer edges right here. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to show you how to attach all the edges to form the perfect shape that I'm just going to do this and then close it up with this. Okay, Now remember, if you have a full cardboard, you won't need to do this step, but as you saw already in the beginning, I had to use a carton box, which means a lot of cut and join. Okay, so now I'm just guys, I'm sorry, the video might look a bit unstable for the next few minutes, because the frame is so big, I'm going to have to record it with my hand. So as you can see, I'm using really heavy stuff to hold the edges. I'm using this beauty whatever here, and then I'm using iron. Don't worry, the iron is not on, so yeah, safety first. So I had to use that to hold down the edges, because if you don't hold down the edges, what will happen is when your customer is actually using the frame for her party or bridal shower or naming ceremony, whatever it is, anyway, it's just going to come apart. So you're going to have to hold it down. There's no rush in it at all. You have to hold it down for a while, and then you can start flaunting it. Okay, so this is a bigger picture. Okay guys, so we're going to start working on this edge. So we're assuming that this Ankara stylish DIY selfie frame is for a bridal shower, and we know how brides love flowers, how they love white, how they love flowers. So I'm going to be I hope it turns out right. Let's see how it's going to look. So I'm going to be using this one. I'm going to be putting 2 at this edge to just, let me see, I'm probably going to do it this way. Ta-da! See the details. You know. Details. Love it. Hope you love it too. Okay. So I'm going to tell you guys a secret. I always film the beginning and the end together. So you guys must be wondering how come it's the end of the video and I'm looking this way. Don't be fooled, man. If you know how I look after this video ends, you'll definitely be laughing. So let's just pretend that I took this at the end of the video. That was fun, wasn't it? If you guys want me to teach you how to make the normal photo frames, so not the selfie photo frame, but like the normal one where you get to like put your pictures and put on your table and all of that, let me know and I will try to fix that in the next tutorial. Some people have been making some tutorial requests and I promise you I'm going to get right to it. But please, like I said, always comment if you have questions. I am always willing to answer, and see you next time. Bye guys. Oh yeah. If I have to stand up to dance in shaku, what do you